Hey traders, I'm going to go over 3 simple tips that I use every day in trading, and so can you. Really easy to follow. Let's start. Tip number 1, look at the big picture. Every time I analyze a stock, whether I'm familiar with it or whether it's brand new, I always look at the daily chart. If I'm swing trading or I'm day trading, I want to look at the overall trend. This is Apple on the charts. The stock is on a tear to the upside, $2 from a 52-week high. If I'm looking to swing trade it, I'm going to look for longs to neutral strategies, thinking Apple stays higher or stays where it's at. Or if I'm day trading and I want to day trade Apple, I'll look to get long even though I'm day trading because the overall trend is bullish. And what I mean by that is this: daily chart, bullish. Then I'll drill down to the 4-hour chart, bullish. Okay? Then I'll go down to an hour chart, neutral to bullish. Then I'll go down to a 30-minute chart, bullish. Then I'll go down to a 15-minute chart, bullish. Apple, in fact, just had earnings. Stock is popping up $3.50. Then I'll go down to a 5-minute chart, still very bullish here. I usually don't like to go to a 1-minute chart. There's just too many whipsaws, and you have to be really quick as a trader. So I'll go as far out as a weekly, and then I'll drill down usually to a monthly chart. But use this, especially when you're analyzing a new stock that you're not familiar with. Look at the overall big picture. Tip number 2, use alerts. Use alerts when you're trading, especially like Apple had earnings today. Go ahead and set alerts out. That way, if you're going out to lunch, going for a walk in the park, maybe you have to run some errands, you will have that alert set not only on your charts, but they'll go right to your phone pretty much with any platform. So let's say Apple hits a new 52-week high and I'm long and I want to sell some of my position. I can simply go on my phone, pull over if I'm driving, go, takes 5 minutes, close the position out, boom. I love it. How you can go and create an alert is just right click on your platform, click on create alert. It's a little bell. And then what I like doing is that putting the alerts usually on support and resistance levels. So in Apple in this case, I want to know if Apple takes out a new high. So 249.75, I'll get an alert. And if Apple takes out the low of the day, I'm going to create an alert too and put at or below the low of the day, create an alert. And you see how it goes right to my cell phone? Plays a little bell. Or actually, I'll change that. I'll do a little, I'll do the chimes. Actually, I want to do the ring. There we go, a little ring. I get a text message alert and notifications to my cell phone. It's very cool, very easy to use. That way, too, even if I'm trading, I could go on and now I want to look at, let's say, Roku. And now, boom, I have my alerts on Apple. I could go look at Roku now, do my analysis on this name. So use alerts. Number 3, as soon as you enter the trade, go ahead and put in your profit targets, especially when you're trading options, because just implied volatility can cause the options to go up. So always have your targets out. What I mean by that is, let's say you go and you buy an option. So let's go to Roku, for example. Let's say you go ahead, you buy an option in Roku. As soon as you buy, let's say I buy that 146 call option. As soon as I go and put in the trade, let's say I buy 10 of them here, I'll go and put 5 out at, let's say, $15, 5 out at $20. As soon as I enter the trade, I'm putting alerts. I'm having those working orders already there. So if the stock does move, and let's just say I go out to lunch, I can walk back and say, oh wow, Roku hit my profit target on my options. I got filled. I didn't even have to do anything. While I'm at lunch, I'm making money. So always, as soon as you get into a trade, whether it's supposed to be a day trade or a swing trade, go ahead, put your profit targets out. It will save you a lot of stress, and you could go out and enjoy life and make money already because you have your profit targets, your exits already set on your platform. Those orders are working. Heck, maybe someone will pay up for the option you just bought. They really want it, and you can sell it to them and make some quick cash. It's fantastic. So to summarize it, my 3 simple tips I use every day in trading: look at the big picture when you're analyzing a chart. Use alerts. Use those alerts. They're very helpful. And then always set profit targets on your trade. Let me know what you think. Lance here with the Future of Wealth. Have a fantastic day.